Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And because the lighting is so beautiful right now, I'm just gonna continue to focus on it because this is probably the most interesting video at the moment. There's another YouTuber. And I'm gonna just kind of come around to get some different angles of this. Huh. Some kind of interesting stuff in here too. We're selling the Macau Post. Okay, so in this particular video what we're going to do is walk through this little Senado Square area, and we have the lighting that are just coming on, and we're going to kind of highlight what this whole space is like by going through Senado Square and all the way down towards St. Dominic's, which is down at the other end of this. And before we even go down, we'll just kind of give you some context to where we are. This is under construction right now. That's the Apollo building. That's the post office right there. And we are gonna go directly down here. So stay tuned. And we have all this nice lighting as well, so you can see the pinks and the yellows. Stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So we got the pinks and the yellows of Senado Square, and before we even start, we are going to kind of highlight all these different areas. So this one goes all the way down the post office. We're gonna just kind of look down the different directions, capture some of the scenery, including this flower park. And then all the way down you can see MGM Casino, and the post office is to the left. Here's kind of an Apollo building. This was the Loyal Senate, which is defunct. And then down here that goes all the way down to the Pont 16. And you have this little green lighting right there in the middle. So what we're gonna do is go all the way down this direction. So let's head on down, and I kind of want to capture, we're gonna kind of come down this way real quick. So what I'm gonna do is try to capture some of these illuminated buildings as well. So I'm gonna come around like this. And I want to capture the lighting of these. And this is also part of Senado Square as well. And then they come down this way right here, and there's a black and white tile as well. So we're gonna go down that direction. And I'm also gonna highlight the sign right here that says Largo de Senado. Let's capture that real quick. So right there is Largo de Senado. And you can see this black and white, it goes all the way down to the pont. But we're gonna come back down this way. And come down this way. Selling souvenirs. Just gonna walk down this slightly. Then I'm gonna walk back out. So walk back out right now. I will capture this fountain a little bit, and I want to capture more of the lighting of things as well in a moment. And I'm going to just kind of come around to get some different angles of this, so I can capture the yellow and the pink. Okay, so we are going to come down this way slightly. There we go. And we are going to, I want to capture the lighting as much as I can. That might be one of the highlights at the moment. So let me kind of go into here. There is one. The lighting is flickering on my camera a little bit, so let's come back out of here. And we'll just keep navigating down towards this is a pharmacy. I'm going to try to capture the sign right here. There's a couple of kids playing, but I just want to capture I'm going to capture that right there. So that's our focus right there, Largo do Senado. This is a popular place called the pharmacy. Popular pharmacy, I think it's located, something like that. So the lighting is pretty amazing right now. So I'm going to keep on going down. Huh. Some kind of interesting stuff in here too. They're selling the Macau Post. These are some Macau pork chop bun, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Got postcards here. Let's go back out. Yeah, we got really nice lighting right now, so. And they got some signs up here. So these signs, huh. This used to have little Macau stuff that would go all the way up, so I guess they got rid of that. So during Chinese New Year, they had some kind of interesting signs that were, I thought they were there to stay. And now we're in St. Dominic's. So St. Dominic's is this one right here, Largo del Sao Domingos, and it's grounded by this church right here. And then this would be our focus right here. It's just Senado. And this is a pretty major tourist attraction. And just to give you some background, the Portuguese consulate is up this way. Sao Paulo Ruins is down that way. And then this way it goes towards the pont, the waterfront. And because the lighting is so beautiful right now, I'm just going to continue to focus on it, because this is probably the most interesting video at the moment. There's another YouTuber. Very cool. Okay. So yeah, the lighting is just about perfect. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the side a little bit and try to capture the lighting more. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just end the video right here. Senado Square. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
minha.